Are you tired of humdrum recipes that leave your body with no energy? Teri Secrest believes it's time to bring fun and life back into your kitchen.
I just finished the cooking lessons with Teri Secrest called Eating for Life. My wife and I are pastors and we do lots of entertaining, and it has actually been really good to sharpen my cooking skills and to get around a bunch of amazing people in community and learn new recipes. I highly recommend this course.
Introducing Eating for Life, a 7-week digital healthy cooking course designed to transform your meals into something extraordinary. With Eating for Life, you will gain confidence in the kitchen, discover new flavors, and learn how to create a 5-star dining experience in your own home.
And let's talk about why we're choosing these oranges. We know they're rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C fights infection. They support immune function, skin health, collagen production. It's a good source of fiber.
Entertaining might seem like a lost art, yet we are born to be connected with one another. Teri believes every good thing happens around food.
My husband and I just finished the course Eating for Life with Teri Secrest. We had such a great time. The thing that I love most about the experience, the whole entire thing, was that you can cook with fresh ingredients. I did not know how easy it was just to take a few basic ingredients and turn them into something that was fabulous.
In Eating for Life, you will receive step-by-step cooking videos for each recipe, prepared by Teri Secrest and her star students. This course also includes a beautiful 178-page full-color digital cookbook. You will discover the nutritional power of each ingredient and learn how to incorporate flavorful essential oils into your cooking.
My wife Stephanie and I just finished the class Eating for Life with Teri Secrest. And I've got to tell you, it was a lot of fun. I'm the kind of guy that gets the ice for a dinner or a gathering or any kind of special event we have at the house. I'm not really good at doing a whole lot else until now. So Teri went through all of the steps of how I can be a participant, if you will, in preparing food and preparing the event and turning something that was somewhat of a mystery to me, but it's something now I can be very confident of.
Additionally, you will enjoy an exclusive printable workbook to use throughout the course to help you become a more confident home chef. This course is about building a legacy of love and joy through cooking. With 30 years of experience in health and nutrition, Teri Secrest invites you to join her in creating a new generation of healthy, happy families.